Hey, in this video you learn about 7 online translation jobs that you can literally start right now to earn some online income. And in this video I'll show you not only how to apply and get a job like this and not only 7 websites to apply in, but also how much money people are making. But before we start, I gotta warn you that results can vary, and especially if you do not watch this video until the end and if you skip a step, you might not get the results you would want and you might not get an online translation job because maybe one of these jobs is for you, some of them is not for you, and there's some little tricks you gotta know when you are actually applying for these jobs. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and if you're new, me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 3 videos a day. And the reason we want to do that is we don't want to make 10, 20, 30 minute videos every single day with BS content or weekly content. And we saw there's a gap in the market and we want to help you by bringing you daily, hourly, every 4 or 5 hours to have a new video on how to make money online. So if you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, to the Dr. Niki YouTube channel. And make sure you give this video a like because it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm, because it's not easy to try to battle the YouTube algorithm as a small YouTube creator, and I can actually shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or something funny, or your YouTube username, Instagram username, TikTok username. I'll just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos, pretty much just like this. Okay, let's start with the first website, and it's called rev.com. It's a website that pays people to transcribe, caption, and most importantly, foreign subtitles. That's basically the services they provide, and they're a little bit easier to start. All you gotta do is go on rev.com, just go on the bottom, click on freelancers, and from here you can see their freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. It's actually for SEO purposes. They have a really stuffed title: earn money transcribing or captioning from home. So you can create a flexible work schedule, so you can work any time of the day. Maybe you want to work just like me from 6 to 8 a.m. then have a pause, workout, and maybe from 10 to 12, a little bit at night when you're just wasting time in your bed, you can't sleep, you can go and make a few dollars. So you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs. So the choice is up to you. You can choose, and most importantly, get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. So this is free, easy PayPal money. And all you gotta do is, you can see per audio, per video. For example, for a captioner, you can be making, and a transcriptionist, you can be making $1.1 per minute, or around $60 per hour of video content that you transcribe. Sometimes it can take you 2 hours, 3 hours to transcribe it. There's also an automated way you can use to do it. I have a video on it, but if you just wanna start right now, you go on rev.com freelancers and click sign up to be a Rev freelancer. The second website is actually iTalki, and here you can become a teacher and you can choose a language. So sometimes you can know some weird language, right? For me, it's Bulgarian. So you can teach people Bulgarian or teach people Hindi. If you're from a lower wage country, you could be making money from teaching foreigners. They want to buy property or start a business in this country and get a really good income out of it. The third website is Unbabel.com, and here you build, it's pretty much the same thing, and what they do is they provide native support at a fraction of the cost. Unbabel enables you to offer multilingual support while reducing your total cost of ownership. Consolidate support to key strategic locations, lowering overhead hiring costs. So what you want to do is you can apply to work for them, and then they will assign you to work at a project depending on your language. As you can see here, people knowing very different languages. That's Russian, Spanish, French, Chinese or Japanese, I'm not sure, Korean maybe, and you can help businesses build their enterprise. The fourth website is remote.co, and it has a bunch of different jobs available. It's not just translation jobs, there's so many jobs, but all you gotta do is go on remote.com and click on remote jobs. And here you just type in translation. and you can find a lot of options that you can choose from. For example, they need a freelance translation person, in web production specialist, they need someone in working as an assistant game producer, and these job offers are actually very recent, 1 week ago. So the good thing about remote.co is you can look up more about the company from here. They have a nice resume, they explain some stuff, and you can just apply for a job. The fifth website is Fiverr. You might think that Fiverr is not a good idea, but I'm going to show you that that's not actually true, and I'll show you why right now. If you go on Fiverr, search for translation, sorted by best selling, you can see people like this, the Spanish team, that have over 2,400 feedback with orders in queue and upcoming orders. And let's say that most people order something like the $50 plan from 3,000 to 10,000 words. If they're getting $50 per order, so if they had 2,430 feedback, as you can see here, $50 each order, they made over $121,000 and $500. So this is how much money some of these people are making, and you can see that based on their current orders, they always get new work. And the next website is Upwork. And on Upwork, I've hired a lot of people on Upwork to do YouTube editing for me before I took it in-house, SEO, like backlinks, blog post writing, and translation jobs, like translating small documents from Bulgarian to English and so on. And if you want to sign up there and start offering your translation services, the good thing is you can actually look up jobs and apply, and at the same time as you're building feedback, companies will also start reaching out to you. The actual easiest way to make money translating is transcriptions. Transcriptions is not literally translating, but it's still a writing job. It's the barrier of entry is really little, and the good thing about it is a lot of people are making $5 to $10 an hour from Go Transcript. You can look it up, maybe check some reviews, and if none of the other offers were actually working for you, you can check this one. I'll have a link for some of the website in the description and also in the first comment. So if you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Don't sue me, bro. This is not financial or medical advice. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these two videos out. But if I were you, I would probably check this one. Bye.